freedom means. We'd like you to keep in mind many millions of us that did not live the Emancipation Day. We recognize those who are in the bowels of ships, those who lie in the Atlantic Ocean, those who took a perilous journey on the Underground Railroad to make it to freedom.
Calling on the memory of the ancestors, Frederick Douglass, Paul Bogle, Harriot Tubman, Marianne Shadd, Josiah Henson, Christophe Desailly, and we cannot forget you, Toussaint L'Ouverture, Marie-Joseph Angelique, Queen Nzinga, Nanny of the Maroons, Bookman, calling on all those freedom fighters, emancipators, those who resisted, and those who fought for freedom.
Let us discuss how Columbus discovered us, recovered us, brought us down from the trees. People, please, don't that fool know that we be cosmic entities? Didn't he know that we be time? And didn't he know that we be space? I'll tell you what I know, it's that it be time to replace the face they painted on us with the one that we've always had. And I know that it's a crime, that it's taken so much time, but it'd be time to read, and it'd be time to write, and it'd be time to get up and stand up and reignite a fire that has been dormant for far too long.
It was written, build a promised land, never overstand what we were promising. Is it biding the time, making a plan? Is it saving up queens and buying up land? Is it kids in custody, lifeline looking ugly? Is it better to die for color, to die for their country? Lost like refugees in their own country, hungry, writing what I cite right in front of me. Are they watching me eyes and skies like satellites? Wonder what the ancestors are thinking in the afterlife. Maybe they're glad we out of shackles and chains. Back then they trailed us. Nowadays surveillance, my brain busting open like fallopian tools. Fertile life percentage when they dropped all them jewels. We march with a little rock now, try to break in their schools. Now we rockin' Rockaway, expelled for breaking their rules. Old folks accuse, say we talking excuse. Mind them say the world is hard, you gotta walk with your tools. But whether wading in the water or the streets of concrete, North Stars will last forever from the west to the east.
And for all the young people here, I hope that tonight that you are inspired. And even for us as adults, I hope that we can seize any opportunity because we know that we are such mighty and great people. Tonight, we did a number of things. We started at a station called Union Station, and we came together from all walks of life, unified, with joy, happy. Some of us, we are walking in all kinds of challenging shoes, but we made the effort to come out tonight knowing that our ancestors went through so much, so that we can experience the world that we live in this day. Harriet Tubman wasn't a big woman, she was a little person, but her statue never kept her back. Harriet Tubman was a woman who had a disability, but that never kept her back. And Harriet Tubman in her life made a commitment not to leave anyone behind, but to bring people along with her. I am hoping that as we leave here tonight, that we will be inspired even more by the Harriot Tubmans of this world and all the unsung heroes and sheroes and working class people that make up the city and make up our community. I hope that from today on that we will inform our children and insist on the history books that Emancipation Day is one of the significant moments in our historical experience. I hope that we can do that. And I hope that we will continue to read and we will continue to uplift our children and that we will continue to be inspired to do even greater things. Just clap, just clap. I am so overwhelmed that you have come just to be a witness and to testify and to represent. Just so honored with that. And also to say that we are such a mighty people that the Toronto Transit said, yes, you can have your whole train.